Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to fix the gridline error in the DMD2 Navigation app. So this is the app here, you'd be familiar with it, and this is the error we're going to be fixing. So as you can see here, there are some white grid lines. This is the same if you're using dark mode, there'll be black grid lines, and I'm just going to show you how to quickly fix this. So we're just going to close out of the app first, close it down fully, open up the phone settings. So go to settings, scroll down to apps, just here. Once you've found that, scroll down and find DMD2. It's in alphabetical order. So we've got it just here. Once you've done that, there's a couple of options depending on how bad the error is. It's just a graphical error, so it's simply clearing the cache. So just click force stop, click OK. And you should be able to go and open DMD2 without any issues moving forward. If for some weird reason that doesn't work, just scroll down a little bit further, go to storage, and then you have two different options here. You have clear data and clear cache. So I would choose this one first, then check to see if the problem goes away. You choose this option here, you're gonna have to go and set up all of your maps again and sign back into the app if you're using the paid version. So try this one first before you try this one. Now, since this is a graphical issue and a scaling issue, if you don't want it to happen, because it will come back quite often, it comes down to adjusting some of the scaling and visual options on the map. Once you've set them, don't change them again, and you shouldn't have this issue whenever you open the app. For some reason, whenever you start messing around with the scaling and some of the options with the visuals in the app, this issue does come up. But as we've shown here, it's a nice, simple, easy fix. Anyway, that wraps up this guide. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Cheers everyone.